Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, paragraph 14, part 4. In previous episodes on this paragraph, the music lesson, we went from Hercules down through percussit. We will quickly review this portion. You can read along and translate in your mind as I do so in order to practice, and then we will take up the last little bit here. Even as a kid, Hercules was intent on getting more muscular. He used up a great portion of each day in the gym. He also learned how to shoot a bow and how to throw spears. With this kind of training, his strength was increased. He also spent time studying music under the tutelage of the centaur Linus. Now, centaurs were horses that had a man's head, and yet Hercules was not very interested in this particular skill. This Linus once was scolding Hercules because he was late for kithara practice. Then the angry boy snatched up the kithara unexpectedly and with all his might whacked his unhappy teacher on the head. Ille ictu prostratus est, et Paulo post evita excessit, neque quisquam postea id officium suscipere voluit. He was knocked flat by the blow, and a short time later he died, and afterward nobody was willing to undertake that particular duty. This portion begins with ille, which is masculine singular and nominative. Ille in Latin and the corresponding illa, feminine, and illum, neuter, always indicate a new subject. So whereas the boy, Hercules, was the previous subject of rapuit and percussit, ille is a new subject. It's going to be Linus. So that guy, ictu. Ictu here is a masculine singular ablative, and it is an ablative of instrument. This is a fourth declension noun. So that guy, by the stroke, ictu, prostratus est. He was laid flat on his back. So this is going to be a perfect indicative. So a third singular, perfect indicative passive, and it is from the verb prosterno. I'm writing it up here. Third conjugation verb prosterno, prosternere, like so. And Paulo post, a little bit later, excessit. He withdrew from life. This is a euphemism for saying he died. Excessit is from excedo, excedere, which is a third conjugation verb which means to withdraw or to go away. He withdrew from life. He died. Nor did anybody, quisquam, masculine, singular, nominative, nor was anybody, afterward, that's postea, an adverb, voluit, willing, nor was anybody afterward willing. This, of course, is from velle. It's a perfect tense here from this irregular verb, to undertake, suscipere. That's a third conjugation verb, so the stress goes here on the antepenal, suscipere, to undertake, id, here's the object, id officium. And id officium is going to be neuter, singular, and accusative. Officium is a second declension noun. Id and officium, the objects of the infinitive, suscipere. So there's the whole of the story. And the moral is, don't try to teach Hercules music. It's not going to turn out well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.